Have you ever wondered about the incredible experiences awaiting exploration in the charming city of Lugano, Switzerland? Nestled amidst the breathtaking landscapes of the Italian-speaking region of Ticino, Lugano is a captivating destination renowned for its scenic beauty, rich culture, and array of activities. Let's delve into the myriad of activities that make Lugano an enticing destination worth discovering. Begin your journey by exploring the stunning vistas from Monte Bre and Monte San Salvatore. These panoramic viewpoints offer breathtaking views of Lake Lugano and the surrounding Alps. Whether hiking or taking a funicular ride, these vantage points provide a perfect backdrop for unforgettable moments. Discover the allure of Lake Lugano, a picturesque body of water surrounded by charming promenades and lush parks. Take a scenic boat cruise, rent a paddleboat, or simply relax along the lakeside promenade while admiring the serene beauty of the lake and its surroundings. Explore Lugano's historic heart in the Old Town, Città Vecchia. Wander through narrow cobblestone streets lined with colorful buildings, boutiques, and cafes. Explore landmarks like the Cathedral of St. Lawrence and experience the authentic charm of this medieval quarter. Immerse yourself in art and culture at the Hermann Hesse Museum. Dedicated to the renowned author Hermann Hesse, this museum showcases his life and works, providing insight into the Nobel laureate's literary legacy. Experience the blend of nature and art at Parco Civico. This tranquil park along the lakefront features lush gardens, scenic paths, and picturesque views. It's an ideal spot for picnics, leisurely walks, or simply enjoying the serene ambiance. Indulge in shopping at Via Nasa, Lugano's elegant shopping street lined with luxury boutiques and shops. Whether seeking high-end fashion, Swiss watches, or artisanal goods, Via Nasa offers a sophisticated shopping experience. Discover the Swiss Mediterranean cuisine at Lugano's renowned restaurants and cafes. Sample local delicacies such as risotto, polenta, and delicious regional cheeses, while enjoying breathtaking views of the lake and the surrounding mountains. Explore the cultural offerings at Lake Lugano Arte e Cultura, a contemporary cultural center hosting exhibitions, concerts, and theatrical performances. Immerse yourself in art, music, and theater in this vibrant cultural hub. Embark on a scenic train journey on the Bernina Express from Lugano to St. Moritz. Marvel at the breathtaking landscapes of the Swiss Alps, picturesque valleys, and charming villages on this UNESCO World Heritage Railway route. Engage in outdoor activities such as hiking or biking along Lugano's scenic trails. The Gandria Trail or Olive Trail offer picturesque routes, showcasing the region's natural beauty and cultural heritage. Lugano, with its blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and recreational activities, invites visitors to immerse themselves in its unique offerings. Whether you're exploring historic streets, enjoying lakeside relaxation, or savoring Swiss cuisine, Lugano promises an unforgettable journey through the heart of Switzerland's southern paradise.